Are you over 60? If you're feeling weaker, struggling to stand up, carry groceries, or hug your grandkids, this isn't just aging. It's a dangerous condition called sarcopenia, muscle loss after 60. But today I'll show you 8 simple foods that can stop this and help you rebuild strength fast. Especially number 8, it shocked even doctors. Discovering the 8 foods that work wonders. Let's start with full-fat Greek yogurt, the perfect way to kick things off. This creamy delight packs both fast-absorbing whey protein and slow-digesting casein, creating a leucine spike that wakes up your muscles, especially after 60. The live cultures in it trigger autophagy, a cellular cleanup that keeps your muscles youthful. A study from the University of Texas found that older adults eating protein-rich yogurt preserve twice as much muscle compared to those using supplements. Enjoy a cup for breakfast, topped with fresh fruit, to supercharge your day with strength. But what happens if you pair this yogurt with a special fruit I'll reveal later? Keep listening to find out. Next up, fatty fish like wild salmon, sardines, and mackerel are powerful inflammation fighters. Packed with omega-3s, vitamin D, and calciton peptides, they combat the chronic inflammation that erodes muscles in older age. A 3-year study showed that eating fatty fish twice a week helped people retain 40% more muscle mass. The trick is gentle cooking, steam or bake at low heat, and a squeeze of lemon to boost collagen absorption for stronger connective tissues. I once saw a 72-year-old woman, after 3 months of regular sardine meals, climb stairs with ease, as if she'd turned back the clock a decade. Can you guess which food amplifies the power of fatty fish? The answer will surprise you. Now consider fermented vegetables like kimchi, sauerkraut, or traditional pickles, the unsung heroes. These are loaded with probiotics that enhance protein and mineral absorption, like magnesium, which most older adults lack without realizing. A study from Seoul National University found that eating fermented veggies 3 times a week boosted protein absorption by 18%. Just a tablespoon a day, choosing varieties with live cultures can make your body feel stronger. A 68-year-old man once shared that after adding kimchi to his lunches, he felt less fatigued and had a firmer grip. What if you add a special spice to these veggies? I'll spill the secret soon. Moving on to turmeric with black pepper, a key to fighting ages. Compounds that stiffen muscle proteins. Curcumin in turmeric, when mixed with black pepper and a fat like olive oil, reduces muscle damage by 27%, according to a study in the journal Cachexia, Sarcopenia, and Muscle. Sprinkle a pinch into your daily meals, and you've built a shield for your muscles. One woman told me that adding turmeric to her soups eased her aches and let her walk longer. Could a familiar food double turmeric's strength? Stay tuned to find out. Let's talk about eggs, a true nutritional treasure. They're rich in leucine and phosphatidic acid, activating the mTOR pathway, the brain of muscle growth. A study in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition showed that 2 eggs a day helped maintain muscle better than plant-based proteins. Soft boil or poach them to preserve nutrients, and eat after light activity like a short walk. The vitamin K, 2, and D in eggs also prevent muscle loss from misplaced calcium. A 75-year-old woman once said that since eating eggs every morning, her arms and legs felt more agile, like her body was waking up. But what happens if you eat eggs at a specific time of day? This secret will change how you eat. Don't overlook tart cherries, a delightful surprise. Their anthocyanins spark cellular energy, speeding muscle recovery by 45%, per a study in the European Journal of Sports Science. A small glass of unsweetened tart cherry juice before bed not only aids muscles but also deepens sleep, the time when your body repairs and builds muscle. Someone once shared that after a month of drinking tart cherry juice, they not only slept better but felt less sore after gardening. Could a certain nut pair with tart cherries to boost results? You'll be amazed by the next food. Try walnuts, the ideal snack. Packed with plant-based omega-3s, magnesium, and polyphenols, they reduce inflammation and nourish muscles. Just a small handful daily, mixed into yogurt or smoothies, does the trick. Research shows walnuts' magnesium supports muscle synthesis, especially in older adults deficient in this mineral. A 70-year-old man once said that after a few weeks of eating walnuts, his grip was stronger, and he felt confident doing chores. But what will the eighth food bring? It's not just for muscles, it's a key to overall health. Let's find out. Finally, lentils are a hidden gem. These legumes offer plant-based protein, fiber, and iron, supporting muscle growth and gut health. A bowl of lentil soup a few times a week is a simple way to boost strength. Studies show lentil protein, paired with vegetables, rivals animal protein for muscle health in older adults. A 67-year-old once shared that adding lentils to dinners left them feeling more energized and free of cramps. And the best part? When you combine all 8 foods, something truly miraculous happens. Ready for the final step? Turning food into daily strength. Have you ever felt that changing your eating habits is like climbing a mountain? I get it, but here's the secret. You don't need to do it all at once. Start with one food, maybe Greek yogurt for breakfast. After a few weeks, when it's a habit, add fatty fish or a spoonful of kimchi to lunch. Take it slow but steady. Consistency beats perfection. Someone once told me that after a month of adding yogurt and eggs to their diet, they felt lighter getting up from a chair. A small but meaningful victory. Timing matters just as much. Your body absorbs protein best in the morning and midday, so prioritize yogurt, eggs, or lentils then. If you can, do a few light movements before meals. Just 10 chair squats can wake up your muscles. Don't skip hydration, a glass of water with each meal, with a pinch of high-quality salt for electrolytes, because even 2% dehydration cuts muscle building by 30%. Sleep is a game changer. During deep sleep, your body releases growth hormone to repair muscles. A glass of tart cherry juice before bed not only tastes great but improves deep sleep, setting the stage for muscle recovery. Someone once shared that this habit stopped their morning fatigue and their muscles felt less achy. Living strong, living fully. Imagine waking up feeling strong, confidently stepping out without fear of falling, carrying your groceries, or playing with your grandkids without exhaustion. This isn't a dream. It's real when you nourish your muscles right. Muscles aren't just strength. They're your ticket to independence, better metabolism, stronger bones, and even a sharper mind. A study in the Journals of Gerontology found that maintaining muscle after 60 leads to a longer, higher quality life, self-reliant, active, and full of energy. Strong muscles do more than lift you up physically. They boost your posture, confidence, and resilience after health challenges. I once saw a 69-year-old after 6 months of adding fatty fish and walnuts not only walk farther but start dancing classes, something they thought was impossible. Overcoming the hurdles change isn't easy, especially after decades of eating the same way. If kimchi or turmeric tastes odd, start small, a teaspoon of kimchi in a salad, or a pinch of turmeric in your favorite soup. Trouble chewing? Try tart cherry smoothies, soft-boiled eggs, or flake sardines. Worried about cost? Canned sardines are cheaper than fresh but just as nutritious. Homemade sauerkraut costs pennies. And don't stress about egg cholesterol or fish mercury. Studies confirm sardines and wild salmon are safe and packed with benefits. Someone once told me they felt too old to change. But after trying lentils for dinner, just 3 weeks later, they walked farther and felt more confident carrying things. It's proof it's never too late to start. Take action today. Here's the truth I want you to hold on to. Sarcopenia isn't your destiny. Your muscles don't care how old you are. They respond to the signals you send. Every meal is a chance to rebuild strength. Every day is an opportunity to push back weakness. You don't need expensive protein powders or flashy supplements. These 8 foods, Greek yogurt, fatty fish, fermented veggies, turmeric, eggs, tart cherries, walnuts, lentils, are your key to a strong, independent, vibrant life. Start today with your next meal. Pick one food, make it part of your life, and feel the change. I've seen people who thought their strength was gone forever reclaim it step by step. And I know you can too. You'll thank yourself, the strong, confident you thriving at 60, 70, or even 90. Thank you for watching until the end. I truly appreciate every view, like, and comment from you. If you found this content helpful, don't hesitate to share it with your friends or loved ones. Your interaction is a big motivation for me to keep creating more valuable content. If you have any questions or feedback, feel free to leave a comment. I'm always happy to hear from you.